From the banks of the Ganges, the Jamuna, the plains, they packed up their histories, their hopes and their pains. Bound to the water, the dark Kalapani, a long heavy voyage to a land strange and new. They carried the seeds of the pumpkin and gourd, and the ancient traditions the heart would afford. The shores of Babis, Demerara and Spain, washed over the longing, the sweat and the rain. Now the dholak is beating to a calypso swing, where the mango trees sway and the hummingbirds sing. From the dust of Uttar Pradesh to the Caribbean Sea, a new roots music is running through me. Oh, the native South Asian soul took its flight and lit up the West Indies night. The harmonium squeezed out a bhajan so sweet, while the rhythmic bantal met the island street. In the fields of the sugar cane, under the sun, two worlds started blurring and melting to one. They spoke a new dialect, a chutney so spiced, where the language of home was reborn and baptized. From Trinidad's valleys to Guyana's wide coast, they honored the ancestors, raising a toast. Where the dholak is beating to a calypso swing, where the mango trees sway and the hummingbirds sing. From the dust of Uttar Pradesh to the Caribbean Sea, a new roots music is running through me. Oh, the native South Asian soul took its flight and lit up the West Indies night. It's the smoke of the Hawan in a tropical breeze. It's the chutney soca that gets down to your knees. It's doubles for breakfast, it's tassa at dawn, a culture resilient, defiant and strong. Not just a diaspora lost in the sand, but a pillar, a heartbeat, a piece of the land. Generation to generation, the lineage grows, from the soil of the east to where the blue ocean flows. An identity forged in the heat of the sun. The journey was long, but the legacy is one. Hear the dholak play, hear the steel pan ring, a Caribbean story that the centuries sing. Rooted deep in the soil, flowing out to the sea, beautiful, vibrant and free. From the red dirt roads where the baobabs stand, a rhythm is waking across the wide land. It starts in the chest, it moves to the feet, the heart of a continent matching the beat. We hear the old echoes of deep history, fusing traditions from over the sea. From Cape Town to Joburg, the townshipians glow, where the jazz and the township melodies flow. Lift up your voice of the Ganges, the Jamuna, the plains. They packed up their histories, their hopes and their pains. Bound to the water, the dark Kalapani, a long heavy voyage to a land strange and new. They carried the seeds of the pumpkin and gourd, and the ancient traditions the heart would afford. The shores of Berbice, Demerara and Spain, washed over the longing, the sweat and the rain. Now the Dorlac is beating to a calypso swing, where the mango trees sway and the hummingbirds sing. From the dust of Uttar Pradesh to the Caribbean Sea, a new roots music is running through me. Oh, the native South Asian soul took its flight and lit up the West Indies night. Hear the sweet concertina, the accordion play, driving the dust and the shadows away. The acoustic guitar with a picking so bright guides the Zulu singers all through the night. In the close harmony, get the macro choir sing. Listen to the joy that the bosselis bring, an anthem of hope that the ancestors wrote, carried along on a beautiful note. It changes its shape, it moves with the years. It's born out of triumphs, it's born out of tears. From the traditional strings to the electronic dance, captures the world and it holds you in trance. Xylophones ring and the bass marimbas play, as the modern day beats usher in a new day. Oh, lift up your voice to the African sky. Let the booby harmonies carry you high. From the Marabi jazz to the Amapiano sound, the bass hits the earth and it shakes the ground. It's the song of the people, the light in the dark. A beautiful fire that starts with a spark. The harmonium squeezed out a bhajan so sweet, while the rhythm began to met the island street. In the fields of the sugarcane, under the sun, two worlds started blurring and melting to one. They spoke a new dialect, the chutney so spiced, where the language of home was reborn and baptized. From Trinidad's valleys to Guyana's white coast, they honored the ancestors, raising a toast. It's the smoke of the Hawan in the tropical breeze. It's the chutney soca that gets down to your knees. It's bubbles for breakfast, it's tassa at dawn. A culture resilient, defiant and strong. Not just a diaspora lost in the sand, but the pillar, a heartbeat, a piece of the land. Yeah, hear the gola play, hear the steel pan ring, a Caribbean story that the centuries sing, rooted deep in the soil, flowing out to the sea. Beautiful, vibrant and free. the Caribbean sun drinks the morning dew, she walks along the shoreline of Penny's Beach with a grace that the ocean wind could never teach. Her skin is like the earth after summer rain, a beauty that can wash away a lifetime's pain. The pride of the island, a tropical star, the sweetest flower in the land of Nevis by far. Oh, Nevis lady, with the gold in your eyes, brighter than the sun in the West Indian skies. From the slopes of the mountain to the edge of the sea, your smile is the only light that rescues me. Queen of the island, gentle and strong, you're the beautiful rhythm in a Nevisian song. I've seen her in Charlestown when the markets bloom. Her laughter clears the shadows from the heaviest room. She carries the strength of the stones of the past, a spirit like the ocean, deep and vast. The hibiscus bows when she passes by, and the clouds clear out just to give her the sky. No diamond could match how her kindness glows. She's the magic that the Nevis breeze always blows. Oh, Nevis lady, with the gold in your eyes, brighter than the sun in the West Indian skies. From the slopes of the mountain to the edge of the sea, your smile is the only light that rescues me. Queen of the island, gentle and strong, you're the beautiful rhythm in a Nevisian song. And when the sunset paints the sky in amber and red, I think of every sweet word that she ever said. The sugar mill ruins might whisper of old, but her living beauty is the true wealth to hold. From the slopes of the mountain to the edge of the sea, your smile is the only light that rescues me. Queen of the island, gentle and strong, you're the beautiful rhythm in a Nevisian song. In a Nevisian song, where the mountain meets the sea, my beautiful lady of Nevis, forever a song in me. 2D 14, a gold cover image for Nevis lady, Nevis lady, Tumpy. 417. Left my boots by the city line, traded my watch for the island time. I was chasing a breeze, looking for escape, till I saw him standing by the ocean cape. Salt in his curls and the tide in his eyes. He doesn't need a map, he just reads the skies. He lives by the rhythm of the crashing blue, and suddenly I'm catching that rhythm too. Oh, I'm loving an island boy, deep as the sea. He brought the sunshine out in me. No shoes, no plans, just the wind in our hair, shaking off the dust of the life out there. He's got the warm sand soul and the coconut smile. Yeah, I think I'm gonna stay for a while. He can name every shell washed up on the coast, knows the secret codes where the sea turtles float. He climbs up the palms just to bring me a view, and laughs when I worry like city folks do. We spend the hot afternoons in the hammock for two, stealing kisses under shadows of green and bamboo. He don't care about the gold or the corporate race. He finds his heaven in a quiet place. So I'm loving an island boy, deep as the sea. He brought the sunshine out in me. No shoes, no plans, just the wind in our hair, shaking off the dust of the life out there. He's got the warm sand soul and the coconut smile. Yeah, I think I'm gonna stay for a while. When the evening rolls in and the bonfire sparks, we dance on the shoreline under the dark. The stars overhead are a beautiful mess, but looking at him I couldn't care less. The mainland is calling, it's whispering home, but my heart's found an anchor right here in the phone. Loving an island boy, deep as the sea. He brought the sunshine out in me. No shoes, no plans, just the wind in our hair, shaking off the dust of the life out there. He's got the warm sand soul and a coconut smile. Yeah, I think I'm gonna stay for a while. Yeah, stay for a while. Just me and my got it made. From the roots of the soil to the heat of the street, two sides of one heart, watch them meet. Listen closely now. In the shade of the grandstand under the sun, with the voice of the people first begun, Lord Kitchener singing, Sparrow in flight, weaving a story through the Trinidad night. Calypso, the teacher, the witness, the sage, brought the truth of the island right to the stage, with a witty double entendre, a sharp political bite, guiding the people from the dark to the light. Calypso is the storyteller deep in the soul. Soca is the power that takes control. One gives you wisdom, the other makes you move. Two generations locked in the groove. Wave it up, wind it down, let the rhythm go. Long become associate. The soul of Calypso, it grew faster and louder, making everything new. Now the brass sections blare and the subwoofer shake for the fete and the road and the memories we make. Calypso is the storyteller deep in the soul. Soca is the power that takes control. One gives you wisdom, the other makes you move. Two generations locked in the groove. Wave it up, wind it down, let the rhythm go. Long live Calypso, jump up for soca. Without the roots, the tree cannot stand. Calypso lay the track all across this land. Without the branches reaching for the sky, soca couldn't make the carnival fly. From the Calypso tent to the massive stadium stage, we are writing history page by page. Kaiso, Kaiso, soca, soca. Can you feel it? Ha, ha, ha. Can you feel it? Can you feel it? Woo, woo, woo. From the masterly lyric to the breathless pace, the spirit of the rhythm taking over the place. Feel the bass line rumble, let the banner unfold. The timeless story that never gets old. Yeah. Jump up for